One of the things that I was excited about with building these chimes is that on a lot of them there are these different natural elements that are all foraged from the Arboretum. There's rocks and acorn tops and pine cones and pine needle brushes. So everything that is on the chimes is from the location where they are currently set. You know, you walk through the peony gardens and then you have to go down all these other trails and things like that, and our feet are making so many sounds underneath, and the birds are making so many sounds around us, and the trees, you know, kind of whistling in the wind, and all of that is such a beautiful soundscape already. And so with the chimes, I wanted to really bring out a lot of those elements. Something that I'm very excited about to get people to kind of open their ears more to what is already around them.